spend time with a random guy. Alright, this is how to make a fat and big NPC. A big NPC, but now it's fat. Number 1, get an NPC that's there. Number 2, over here. Number 2, get that guy to go to your cauldron. The circle one is my ingredients cauldron. And put the 20 big ears. Then give it to him. He will be big. Then, now, put 4 tall and then you will get this fat, big NPC. Okay, let me talk in chat. I have a big fat bodyguard because it's so fat and it's big. Not even the size of me. But let him have this punching gloves. Anyway. You can literally stand on his shoulder. Please don't remove this. Foxy and Jandel. It's so cool. Please don't remove this. Well, let's continue on the episode until I get bored of this random dude. Alright, let's go to my cauldron. See, he's my bodyguard. He goes everywhere I want. When he doesn't follow me, you cannot defeat the most powerful fat NPC. This is the most powerful fat NPC. Alright, I want to show you how do I make it. Beautiful dude, get out of the way. Number 1. Goodbye, my beautiful NPC. Hey, why are you cooking me? Cooking me. Hey, stop pushing me. God. You can be annoying sometimes. Nobody can literally Nobody can get an NPC just by my beautiful fat NPC. My NPC is so cool.
Oh, hi there.
Get him. Go to your cauldron. Next. 20 ears. I'll be right back. Alright, we got 20 of those gigantic ears. Then we're going to give that this thing. Then we're going to put that. Then give it to him.
Oh yeah, this is
He'll
good.
become big. Let's wait. I'm gonna pause the video just because it's going to get big first. Compared to my size, I am only on his legs. Next, we're going to comment down below if you're in the video. I don't know if you're in the video or not. Okay, here's Marvin. Then we're going to we're going to do this. Oh my God, my beautiful dude! Get out of the way. Here, a tall potion. Look at this, guys. He look so beautiful. He may push you sometimes, but it's still worth it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. He's so cool. You can literally get a shoulder ride on him. That's it for the video. Bye all, and make sure to do that because that is how to make a big fat NPC. Bye.